please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration, found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5973, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned of a great sin. This is when one insults their own parents. This happens when a Muslim insults the parents of someone else, and as a response, the other person insults their parents. Because they were the cause of their parents being insulted, they will be blamed. It is important for Muslims never to insult other people, or their loved ones, because this will only cause them to insult them, and their loved ones back. A Muslim should always treat others how they want to treat it. If a Muslim does not want people insulting their loved ones, such as their parents, then they should not insult other people, and their loved ones. If a Muslim speaks kindly, and shows respect to others, and their loved ones, then people will speak kindly, and show respect to them, and their loved ones. What you give, is what you get. It is that simple.